Welcome to Science Easy Tech channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about nursing research and statistics BSc Nursing question paper for 4th year students. This question paper was taken from Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh in the year 2018 November. Before moving on to the question paper, if you are new to Science Easy Tech channel, just take a moment to subscribe our channel and also to press the notification bell icon in order to get connected with our latest updates. Let's move on to the question paper. The question paper code is 346. See here you can see it is taken from Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences, Andhra Pradesh, Vijayawada, BSc Nursing Degree Examination, November 2018, 4th year examination, 4Y DZ program. Nursing Research and Statistics, new scheme. The time allotted is 3 hours and the maximum marks is 75 marks. So here they have given a special note, that is this question paper contains part A and part B. Part A is nothing but nursing research, which is for 50 marks, and part B is statistics, which is for 25 marks. So you have to answer part A in separate answer booklet and part B in separate answer booklet. You should not mix the answers, and you should write. So if you are going to mix part A in part B and part B in part A, your answers will not be evaluated. So that's why use separate booklet for nursing research and separate booklet for statistics. So here in part A, nursing research, which is for 50 marks, as I have told earlier, write an essay on any two of the following. So first question is define research design. List the types of experimental research design and explain through experimental research design. So first question is what? Define research design. List the types of experimental research design and explain through experimental research design. Second question is define variable and explain about types of variable with suitable examples. Second question, define variable and explain about types of variables with suitable examples. Third question, explain the major types of data collection. Third question, explain the major types of data collection. So here 2 into 10 is equal to 20 marks. So out of these 3 questions, answer any 2 questions. Next is short notes. Short notes, they will be giving 6 short notes. Out of those 6 short notes, you have to answer any 4 of the following. So fourth question is stratified random sampling. Illustrate with examples. Fourth question is stratified random sampling. Illustrate with examples. Fifth question is review of literature. Sixth question, characteristics of good research report. Sixth question, characteristic of good research report. Seventh question, survey method. Seventh question, survey method. Eighth question, data tabulation. Eighth question, data tabulation. Ninth question, pilot study. Ninth question, pilot study. So fourth question is stratify random sampling, illustrate with examples. Fifth question, review of literature. Sixth question, characteristics of good research report. Seventh question, survey method. Eighth question, data tabulation, and ninth question is pilot study. So 4 questions you have to write. 4 into 5 is equal to 20 marks. Next, write brief notes of the following. They will be giving 5 questions. There is no choice in these brief answers because it is 2 marks questions. So 10th question is define hypothesis. 10th question, define hypothesis. 11th question, list the types of data collection instruments. 11th question, list the types of data collection instruments. 12th question, enumerate the need for research in nursing. 12th question, enumerate the need for research in nursing. 13th question, list the purpose of research design. 13th question, list the purpose of research design. 14th question, define population. 14th question, define population. So these 5 questions carries 2 marks. 2 into 5 is equal to 10 marks. Next is Statistics. So statistics is for 25 marks, as I have told earlier. This is part B. So here they will be giving 2 essay questions. Out of those 2 essay questions, answer any one of the following. So 15th question is explain about graphical representation of data. 15th question, explain about graphical representation of data. 16th question, list out the properties of normal, probability curve and explain skewness and kurtosis. So here 16th question, list out the properties of normal probability curve and explain about skewness and kurtosis. So this is 1 into 9, which is equal to 9 marks. Next, short notes on any two of the following. Here the 17th question, properties and uses of range and interquartile range. Properties and uses of range and interquartile range. 18th question, statistical packages. 18th question, statistical packages. 19th question, calculate the mean and median. 5 comma 10 comma 15 comma 20 comma 25 comma 30 comma 35 comma 40 comma 60 comma 80 comma 100. 20th question, test of significance. 20th question, test of significance. So out of these 4 questions, answer any 2. Write brief answers of the following. That is 2 marks. 3 questions they will be giving. You have to answer all the 3. 21st question, list out the measures of variability. List out the measures of variability. 22nd question, define variance. Define variance. 23rd question, enumerate the properties of central tendency. 23rd question, enumerate the properties of central tendency. So here, as I have told, you have to write part A and part B separately. See, most of the questions in nursing research and statistics we have covered in our playlist BSc Nursing 4th year nursing research and statistics. So 90% of the portions we have posted as unit wise we have explained in that playlist. So you can watch that playlist which I have given in the end card and suggested iCards, as well as in the description box also I have given the playlist link. So you can watch our channel playlist for more question paper related videos, nursing research and statistic related videos, and you can get benefited. So I have posted some of the keys for answer keys for 2 marks questions also. You can watch it. Has also been placed in our channel playlist BSc Nursing question papers. Most of the videos with regard to nursing research and statistics in a simplified manner I have explained it. So you can watch our channel playlist, and still if you have any doubts, feel free to post your doubts in the comment section. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel. My previous videos link I have given in description box, suggested end card and iCard as I have told earlier. Keep supporting to our channel. Stay tuned for our latest updates.